What is GIS? GIS stands for Geographic Information System, which means location on the Earth's surface, information tied to space, and technology used to analyze and display the information. So, GIS is a computer system for capturing, storing, querying, analyzing, and displaying geospatial data. Geospatial data or spatial data is the data associated with a location on the Earth's surface. Non-spatial data is the data that is not directly linked to a spatial location. For example, hospitals. The actual location of the hospital like address is spatial data, and additional data like hospital name, facilities, patient capacity are non-spatial data. Combining spatial and non-spatial data in layers by using GIS techniques often reveal trends and patterns that help individuals and organizations better understand geographical and physical phenomena. GIS uses layers to overlay different types of information. Each layer holds data about a particular type of feature such as street, buildings, vegetation. These layers of data are combined to form maps, and the layers which are underneath remain visible while additional layers are placed above. 5 components of GIS. People collect data, develop procedures, identify research questions, and define analysis tasks to run in GIS. Hardware is the computer on which a GIS operates. GIS software provides the functions and tools needed to store, analyze, and display geographic information. Data. The most important GIS component is the data, how it is managed and assessed. Methods are the procedure followed to answer the question need to be resolved. These are the few applications of GIS. In urban planning, GIS technology is used to analyze the urban growth and its direction of expansion. In agriculture, GIS data helps in creating more efficient farming techniques, analyzing soil data, and increasing food production. It also helps in natural resource management. In disaster management, efficient GIS systems protect the environment and are developed to assist risk and disaster management. GIS data is commonly used for managing transportation issues. Navigation maps use GIS data to provide the public with useful information. Government uses GIS to improve their workflows and services to citizens. In education system, GIS helps in campus navigation, safe routes, bus services, and cartography. GIS techniques help in crime analysis, emergency calls, law enforcement, traffic violation, defense, and military. In health, GIS helps on making health maps, determine distance to healthcare, and disease surveillance. GIS is used for managing business information based on its location. In geology, the GIS is used to study geological features, analyze soils and strata, assess seismic information, and create 3D displays of geographic features. Thanks for watching.